We are going to Toronto, but isn't the weather so great?
Yes, it was 1790 only.
Oh, okay. How is it? You've never had it? What? Minutes we'll be going into Union Station bus terminal in
Hello, we are in Toronto. We took the bus from Montreal and we got on at 9 and we reached here to the Airbnb at 5 p.m. There were so many delays, it was pouring in Montreal, but anyways, today was day 0, so we did not have a lot of plans for today. But right now we've gotten ready and we're headed to, I think, the Eden Center right now, and then later we're going to have dinner at Kensington Market. Hopefully, wish me luck. I hope it all goes well. I'm kinda unsure of what we're gonna do, but it'll be fun. The side lane of Toronto Eden Center. For you.
what?
Yeah.
I just opened everything.
5:24 and we're heading out. So the plan is as follows. We're first going to a breakfast place, then heading over to the Union Station area where we'll see Ripley's Aquarium, CN Tower, all of the touristy places. We'll take the ferry to the island right there, and we will, I don't know, have lunch and dinner in some places that we find over there. It's a pretty loose plan. I'm sure it'll be fun.
That's the biggest thing here.
Hi, Aquarium. Oh, we're at Ripley's.
We're at Ripley.
We're at Ripley's. $99 for an aquarium. But it was Shubham's first ever aquarium visit, so it was worth it. Ripley's is Canada's largest indoor aquarium. And yes, the show Ripley's, believe it or not, and this aquarium are somehow related. I think the aquarium itself is more of an experience. So enjoy this montage of the fishies and my personal favorite exhibit, the jellyfish.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just
Finished looking at the aquarium. Now we're gonna head to the rec room for some snackies, I guess. And we're here at the train exhibition.
You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw
Oh, so tall!
because
That's where Taylor Swift is going to perform.
I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol.
We were too. Anyways, I wanted to go home. By this point, I really did want to go home. The day was not going as I'd hoped because of the weather. The skies were grey. It was cold and rainy all day. But I was on vacation, something that I don't get to have as frequently as I'd like. So I refused to let the weather dampen my spirits. So we took the ferry to the Central Islands just like we'd planned, and we just decided to have a good time. We took shade under a tree, we played, we laughed, we had pizza, and we watched the birds. We might not have gotten the view that we wanted, but we sure as hell didn't miss a thing.
And then you make one more wish. I wish that I could show you a heart made of love, a heart made of promises. I don't wanna give us up, but I wish that I could show you a way out of the woods. I wish we had the answers, but we did all that we could.
What I'm doing.
I hear you sing a song when you come home. I'm gonna miss the sound of having you around.
Look at this dog. Yeah.
A butter one or a vanilla one?
Butter one.